The BJP is staging a statewide Rasta Roko protest across Karnataka over the pothole menace. The protest is being carried out simultaneously in all 224 assembly constituencies of Karnataka. BJP workers in Bengaluru's Yelahanka held a symbolic demonstration by filling potholes themselves on the street to highlight what the party calls government's negligence. These are the visuals coming in, some of the latest ones since morning, where you can see these are the BJP workers who have come down on roads filling the potholes themselves. Local MLA S.R. Vishwanath led the protest and joined the workers in filling the potholes. Meanwhile, let's speak about the IT capital city, Bengaluru. Road blockades are scheduled to be staged in every constituency, with leader of the opposition R. Ashoka joining these protests. BJP State President B.Y. Vijayendra is also going to lead the protest in Shivamoga. The party says the blockade is to pressure the government into taking urgent measures to fix the state's crumbling roads.
Always BJP will not be happy only. BJP will not be happy. All these potholes have been come at the time of BJP regime only. They are responsible for the bad administration of any roads in Karnataka state.
We all thought it would be mission impossible, but today when we come back to Mission Road after 6 days, yes, exactly last Wednesday, we had reported from this particular place, and today if we look at this road, the entire road has been laid down with the tar and it looks brand new. This entire stretch that you are seeing had only craters and potholes in this particular place. But because that has been cleaned up, you can see there is a free flow of traffic. And if I can tell my camera person to show behind, it is exactly the same. There is no pothole in this entire place. This is News 9 Impact right in front of you. This is the Mission Road. This entire stretch, close to 300-400 meters, was in a very dilapidated condition. And I remember telling you last Wednesday, if we go 1 kilometer from here, it is the corporation office. On the left-hand side is Shanti Nagar. If we go on the right from here is Double Road, which leads to Lal Bagh Road. And it is how it is a very prime location. And a road in a prime location like this being dilapidated was something we did not expect. But today, when we've come to this road again, it clearly gives you an indication that yes, work has started. The government was promised that by November or by October 31st, basically November onwards, the entire road will become fine, and that was the deadline that they had given themselves. And now seeing this road over here, it looks like that work is happening at a larger scale. Today also, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shiv Kumar, when he spoke to the people, spoke to the press, he also said that close to thousands of potholes have been covered, but a few of them still have to be covered. And this is one such road where you are seeing an impact, where you are seeing that the road has been laid down and the traffic and the commotion that people used to have in this particular stretch has been cleared. There is no slow-moving traffic because the road is proper, and that is what the public of Bengaluru wants. Proper roads, proper infrastructure, so that they can do what they do best, make Bangalore proud. We are going to show you another News 9 Impact. We are right now outside India's premier mental health institute, the NIMHANS. And on the Friday of 19th, we had shown you this particular stretch, which was driving everyone crazy, and it was frustrating everyone. But today, 5 days after we reported from this very spot, you can see the impact. The entire road has been laid by the government, and this entire stretch is now free of potholes. There is not a single pothole, not a single crater. Otherwise, if we had shown you this report 5 days back, there was a huge pothole at this particular spot. The entire stretch was in a very dilapidated condition. This entire stretch of 50 meters was in a very bad shape. And why this road is very important, because on my left, where my hand is, if I'm showing you this particular point, is in NIMHANS Hospital. And behind, if I show you over here, this, if you can see my finger pointing out to that particular building, that is the Kidwai Hospital. These are both big health institute. One is the Cancer Institute, the other is the Mental Health Institute. And you see thousands of patients coming here every day. That is the flyover. And from there, the vehicle would come at a very fast pace. But because of the potholes and the craters over here, they would have to slow down, which was resulting in a lot of traffic jam in this particular stretch. But now, as you can see, it's a smooth flow from the flyover till the end of this particular road, because there is no pothole, there is no possibility of the vehicle to slow down, and it is helping everyone who is traveling on this stretch. We just saw ambulances zooming past by. That is a beautiful sign, because on that day when we had reported, we had shown you an ambulance going slowly from here, and he had to slow down and maneuver over the potholes, and how difficult it was getting for the patient. But today we saw an ambulance zoom by this place, and that was a sign that is a sign of change, and that is what you see on this particular stretch of the Nimans Highway. And this is nothing but a News 9 impact. This is not just our impact, this is your impact. It is you who had pointed out how bad this road is. It is the people who have been raising their voice, and we have been that felicitator showing that on the road, and we are seeing those changes happening right now. We will have to wait and watch, because by the end of November we have to make sure every road in Bangalore is covered, because that is the deadline what the government has given themselves. And let's hope that is what happened. Every road turns out to be a road like this in Bengaluru is the hope from us. Bringing you this report outside Kidwai Hospital and Nimans Hospital.